Here are the remote recruiting agencies that are hiring South Africans. You can work here as an independent contractor, meaning that you won't be permanent, but you're going to work independently as a contractor. They are hiring South Africans who can work in admin. You can also do social media management. You can also work as a recruiter. You can also work as a sales representative. There's many other jobs that you will be doing with these agencies. So if you are that person who is looking for a career change, or maybe you want to work for yourself, you want to work from home, or maybe you want high paying jobs, even though you're still doing the same job that you're doing, but you are seeking a high paying job, then these jobs are going to be perfect for you. So today I've got 3 of these recruiting agencies. I'm going to explain each one, how to apply, how are they going to pay you, and also show you some of the jobs that they have on their platform. As you all know, I already applied to some of them, and I am going to show you my own journey. As I said that we've got 3 of them, let's go and start with the first one. The first one, it is called a remote recruitment. So at a remote recruitment, they specialize in sourcing talented professionals from South Africa for remote work with UK-based businesses. So these are some of the jobs that are available over there, like outbound customer service representative, business development and social media specialist, recruitment consultant, finance assistant. There's many more. For example, to work as a customer service representative, you can make 25,000 rand per month, working full-time for UK-based business, working UK working hours from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. or maybe similar shift. Another job example is you can work as a HubSpot onboarding consultant or trainer, working as a freelance. You can make 220 rand per hour. Of course, you're going to browse through and check which jobs are going to meet the skills that you have as well as the expertise that you are specializing on. So now let's proceed to check out. You can apply over here. You are going to answer a couple of questions. They've got a couple of questions that they have lined up. You are going to answer those couple of questions. After that, you're going to fill out your details, like your personal details. After you're done with that, you are going to submit your application form. After you submit your application, they are going to get back to you within 3 to 5 working days. If your application is then accepted, you are going to be invited for your first round of interview. So you're going to do the assessment next. So this is to check if you really meet the requirements. Can you really do the job they want you to do? So they are going to give you a task trial where you're going to be doing assessment. And then if you go well with that assessment, the following step is they are going to take you to the second round interview. During the second interview, they just want to get to know you better. And if you do well, and then you are going to be offered a job. Now let's move on to the second recruiting agency that is hiring South Africans, and it is called Leverage Virtual. Leverage Virtual is a US-based online employment agency that provides highly skilled and well-trained virtual assistants. They do train and they do a lot of screening before you can actually be a virtual assistant on this platform or in this agency. So this company takes training very seriously. So when you apply here, they are going to take you through training as well as they are going to do a lot of screening. So you can work as an executive assistant, a bookkeeper, a video editor, a web builder. There's so many other positions that you can do. They do pay on a weekly basis, so you're gonna get your payment on a weekly basis. So in order for you to work with Leverage Virtual and become one of their virtual assistants, you will have to have one of these things. You'll need to have your own laptop or your desktop. The primary internet connection should be 10 megabytes per second or even higher. You must also have a backup internet connection. It also has to be 10 megabytes per second or higher. This is how you can apply with Leverage Virtual. You need to go to the bottom of their website. You will see a form. You need to fill out that form. So you can fill the form, the application form, and then choose the role you're applying for. So click on the drop down menu and you will see all the jobs that they assist people with, and then you are going to apply for the one that you think meets your skills as well as your experience and expertise and apply for that job. You will have to take a screenshot of your internet speed results and you have to upload it over there. You will have to take the assessment test and add your results. So you are going to add your results and drop them over there and make a 1-minute video introducing yourself and upload that video. So this video is just to introduce yourself, just to let them know who you are. But most important thing, when they request videos, they want to hear how you speak, how you articulate. So it is very important when you speak about your experiences, what you can do, what you did, what did you study, all of those important things. When you are speaking on these videos, make sure that you speak well, you speak clearly, so that they can hear what you're saying, because most importantly, they want to see if you do have the communication skills that they are looking for. Then you can submit your application. After you have submitted your application, they will get back to you to let you know how you did, and they will take you through their hiring process and let you know what is the next step that you need to take in order to continue with your application. So the third one and the last one for today, it is called Mariposa. This recruiting agency is always looking or hiring South Africans who can work in a call center. So you will be working as a call center agent, and they want someone who's got their own equipment to work, like your own computer. And they also do list all the requirements in terms of like what kind of an equipment that you need to have, what kind of internet you need to have in order for you to qualify to work on their platform. They are going to pay you 69.15 per hour. That is their payment rate. So a lot of people did have their own reviews, because before I come here and tell people about jobs, I go and check if they are legit or not. So a lot of people are complaining, not rating their company quite well, because they are saying you work so hard but you earn so little. But if you want experience, you don't care about how long you are going to work in order for you to make money, then you can apply for the job. Like I said, they did list all the things that you need to have in order for you to apply on their platform. So let's go and check what are the requirements you need to apply here. You need to have your own PC or laptop. It has to be 8 GB of RAM. It has to be in Windows 10, 8 or 11. You must have headsets, USB headsets that has noise cancelling. So they want someone who has a fiber internet connection. When I was applying here and checking the application process, they did ask to show my fiber. So they will ask you to show if you are connected to a fiber or Wi-Fi. So they will need a proof. So you cannot run away from this. They will need to check all of that before they hire you. How to apply here is you fill out the application form, you put your personal details or personal particulars, your technical skills, your technical requirements, and your call center experience, and you are going to submit. And then after submitting your application, you are going to do a test. So they will give you a test that you are going to do. This test is just to check if you know some of the stuff. So during your time of you putting your technical details as well as other things, they just want to check if do you really know how to work in a call center environment. Do you have experience? What did you use when you were working in a call center environment? What tools did you use? And all of those important things. They just want to check all of that, if you are aware or if you know or not. So that's it, guys. That is the 3 recruiting agencies that are hiring South Africans who can work remotely and work for US or UK based businesses. And if you are that person who wants that opportunity to work from home, work independently as an independent contractor, then you can apply for these jobs. And if you want more work from home opportunities, I do have a video. You can check one of the videos over here. I will see you on this video over here. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel so that you do not miss any jobs that I will be sharing in the future. If you want to work from home or you are looking for a job, you better subscribe to the channel, put on your notification bell, do comment in the comment section if you want to ask any question, and like the video and share the video with someone that you think might really need it. I will see you on this video or this video over here. I will see you there.